you're at TikTok. You just brought up so many examples of brands that are really doing outside the box things, exciting, unexpected things, and that's what our audience wants. In terms of innovation, being sort of the tip of the spear, where are you looking for new inspiration and innovation when you're thinking about maybe suggesting how to evolve the product? What data are you looking at, or what aspects of the business are you looking at, or what communities are you looking at?
Yeah. So I promise I'm not just saying this because I work at TikTok, but I find so much inspiration from the TikTok community. This is how I guide brands as well. So when you think about what TikTok has done over the past 4 years, it offered everyone and anyone an opportunity to have a voice, which is why I personally love this platform. But everyone knows Kabi Lam's story. He's the highest paid creator today, but he started as a factory worker in northern Italy. And there's so many stories like that where an everyday person was given a tool to express their creativity. And what happened was so many of these people took that opportunity and really used it to show the world what they've got. And that's not stopping. Every day we have new creators on the platform. We have new topics that are being discussed in new ways. And so what I mean by that is, there are so many behaviors that are unique to the TikTok creator community and the way people show up on the platform. One is I'll pretend like I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I just happen to have this next to me. And I'm close to camera putting lipstick on or blush or mascara, but I'm talking about like a very serious social justice topic. That is a way to kind of reel you in to get you to listen, and I think that's brilliant, and there's so many nuances to the behavior on the platform like that, that brands need to study, and they need to learn so that they're not just writing a script or showing a before and after the way we normally do. Chipotle is great at this. They're incredible students of TikTok community culture, and they really do it right. They lean in, low production, and I talk about this example all the time, but it's so brilliant. Food company shot how they make their rice, their famous cilantro rice, on a grainy iPhone or Android, don't know what they use, but someone's personal phone. And they just showed how they make the rice in the back kitchen and posted that. And we all know, those of us in marketing, that the lettuce has to be crisp and there has to be a droplet of water that makes it look scrumptious, and everything has to look perfectly colored. And here comes Chipotle doing something that the TikTok community loved because they felt like they were being authentic and they weren't just trying to show them perfection. They were just letting them in. This is how we make our rice. And by the way, so and so who works at this location, and she's going to make it. So there's so much opportunity right now for brands and people in general to get inspired just by being in the platform.